Hey everyone, thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Danny Phantom. I'm excited, I hope you guys are as well. Well, let's hop to it, let's go see what we can do.
So for the first step in making Danny Phantom, we're going to begin by making a C-like shape for the ear, and then after that, we're going to make some really cool hair that will be right above that C that we just made. Awesome, now the next step will be to make the outline for Danny Phantom's face. Fantastic, now the next step will be to make two arms for Danny Phantom. Once we complete making his arms, the next step will be to make the torso, as well as making his legs and feet. Wow, this is turning out really well. Now the next step will be, and one of the last steps will be to add detail to Danny Phantom. And don't forget, if we ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video. Now, right in the middle of the chest, we're going to make a D for Danny. Now, one of the last steps, and in my personal opinion, one of my favorite steps, will be making Danny Phantom's face. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come clone your Danny Phantom with us.